Hello, students, guardians, and art teachers. Today, the next lesson of drawing straight line. So, this straight line is quite hard. From the last, I show you the video, the straight line videos. So, please watch it carefully and practice your students, children, 2, 3 to 4 times every drawing. And please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for YouTube notification. When I launch any video, then you will get a notification. And please share my video as more as you can, and please give a like. Okay, so let's start the straight line drawings. Thank you. Well, let's start. Today I give you straight line drawings, and this is the kids drawing and children drawing, and it is the last drawing. And then I give you lesson how to draw bent line. So now this is the straight line drawing, last class, lesson 6. So here is a pot. Here is a pot, and you add some design here. Add some design here like this. Art teachers and guardians keep always mind that this drawing is for kids and children, so don't make it so hard. All right. And this is another pot, another style of the pot. And I add some design here. Okay, so number 1, number 2, practice this drawing 5 to 6 times because it is quite hard for children and kids. So now I give you some scenery in straight line. This is very interesting for kids and children. Straight line scenery. This scenery is totally depends on straight line. All is straight line, no bend line here. To home, nearby near, and boat in the river. Boat in the river. All this depends on straight line. All right, and you give some shade here. All right, so this is nice drawing. You can give bushes, straight line. So this is complete. Please practice it 3 times and give color as you wish. And its home color is upper portion is yellow, this portion is brown, and in the water you give the sky color or light blue color. In the sky you will give sky color. This is land, give green. Okay, and I will show you later how to color it, but you can try to color it. After 3 times practice it, then you try to color it. And guardians and art teachers also help to children and kids to color this type of picture. Okay, so now next drawing is also a scenery. It depends on straight line. I already taught you about this matter. This is a palm tree, 3 palm tree here. I draw it very speedy way, but please keep in mind when you practice your children and kids, it must be slow process, okay? Not hurry like me, because I have experience art teacher near about 25 years, so my hand speed is so quite very fast. But you please keep practice in slow way. This is the bushes, all the straight line. Very funny matter for kids and children. All right, give bird. So today children drawing straight children for today straight line drawing for children and kids is complete, and I give you many lessons, and you please try to color it as you like. The this is the trees, give green, and the branches give brown, bushes deep green, give deep green lightly, watercolor light blue, and the sky color sky blue. Okay, it is very natural factor. You can please try to color it. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and please practice in home. Have a great day and have a great future. Thanks.